Russia has revealed its latest thermobaric rocket launcher, TOS3 Dragon, categorized as heavy flamethrower. This system is reportedly built on T-90 tank chassis and is equipped with 220mm rockets with range up to 15 kilometers. The U.S. State Department approved potential foreign military sale to Austria involving 12 UH-60M Black Hawk helicopters and associated logistics and program support, with estimated cost of up to $950 million. The proposed sale will improve Austria's capability to deter current and future threats and support coalition operations. United States and India are in advanced talks for $3.99 billion deal to acquire MQ-9B drones. This potential agreement underscores deepening strategic partnership between two nations and highlights India's commitment to enhancing its surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. Italy has confirmed transfer of additional battery of SAMP-T air defense system which is capable of intercepting ballistic missiles. The Italian SAMP-T can destroy aerodynamic targets at distance of 100+ kilometers, and it can also intercept ballistic missiles at a distance of up to 25 kilometers.